1. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? A. Goodbye, Helik, thank you, sorry. D. Sorry. Two. What do you say when someone gives you something? A. Please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. B. Thank you. 3. What do you say when you need to leave a room? A. Hellob, pleasek, goodbye, sorry. C. Goodbye. Four. What do you say when someone sneezes? A. Bless you, thank you, Helad, goodbye. A. Bless you. Five. What do you say when someone asks how you are feeling? A. Thank you, I'm sorry, I'm fine, thank you, excuse me. C. I'm fine, thank you. 6. What do you say when someone apologizes to you? A. Excuse me, thank you, I'm sorry, goodbye. C. I'm sorry. 7. What do you say when you want to borrow something? A. Please, thank you, may I borrow this please? D. Goodbye. A. Please. 8. What do you say when you accidentally interrupt someone? A. Sorry, thank you, pleased, hello. A. Sorry. 9. What do you say when you want to know the time? A. What time is it? B. How are you? C. What's up? D. Goodbye. A. What time is it? 10. What do you say when someone tells you something surprising or interesting? A. Oh no. B. Wow. C. Pleased, goodbye. B. Wow. 11. What do you say when you want to ask for help? A. Please, I'm sorry, thank you, excuse me. A. Please. 12. What do you say when you accidentally bump into someone? A. Thank you, excuse me, I'm sorry, hello. B. Excuse me. 13. What do you say when someone gives you a compliment? A. Excuse me, thank you, Helad, goodbye. B. Thank you. 14. What do you say when you need someone's attention politely? A. Goodbye, Helik, excuse med, thank you. C. Excuse me. 15. What do you say when you make a mistake? A. Please Seb, thank you, sorry, excuse me. C. Sorry,